Ba't ka umiyak?
Kasi si Miss Kris pinaiyak ako, binati ako ni Miss Kris Aquino.
I'm looking forward talaga. Sana if we go there, we'll get to see you. And thank you for being so nice to Mama Loy.
OG Inspires.
Yeah.
Everything's in YouTube, guys. You can catch them.
Hi, hello! Siyempre, we're so happy to be here again.
Yeah.
Thank you, LA.
Nararampa na naman kami ni Nanay sa US of A. Makakalipad kaya tayo na, ang lakas ng ulan.
Siyempre naman. Wala naman daw delay.
Wala.
Wala naman pagpag.
Diba?
Pagto, normal naman naman.
Wala.
Normal naman ang mga delay-delay. Lalo na may pag.
Correct. Sa tabi ba natin si Kurt Bondan? Baka si Kurt yung nasa kita natin.
Baka may na.
Kasi makasama pa namin si Kurt Bondan sa pag-judge namin dun sa Mr. and Miss Philippines USA. At papakasunod naman si Nanay sa Los Angeles kay Tita Mary Ann. So, see you po! Share namin sa inyo aming escapade na naman ngayon sa USA.
The next day.
Ayan na mga kaubo!
Ang pagbabalik sa Showbiz Update ni
Ganon, na-miss ko ba
Oliver
ako?
Carne. Ayan na.
Yes!
Tingnan
Namiss na nila ang
natin,
pagtataray mo.
Ay,
Oo nga.
ganun ba yun? Naku, mainta ulo ko ngayon na araw na ito, ha?
Ha?
Siya ang magbabalik.
Ayan sila Ate Lani, tsaka si Kuya Alvin.
Tita ko kasi akala ko 1 o'clock ang dating nila.
Ay,
Kaya sabi ko earlier before.
9:30 ang dating nila pa.
Ayan, si Miss Idol. Hi. Para siyang si Rachel Nay, no?
Yung boses.
Ayan.
Receive sa LA.
Yes. Taray. Diyos ko, mayaman pa talaga yung namin, bellboy namin.
Ganun? Hindi naman.
Diba? Ay, oo.
Maluwang siya.
Aba, maluwag.
Maluwang. Parang
Parang Tito Oliver.
Yung parang ano ko lang yan,
Mama Loy, this is your...
Ay, Mamaloy pala.
This is your kwarto.
This is my room. Wow, this is my room. Wow, thank you. Ganda, oh. Look at my room. Wow. Thank you po. Thank you. Ay! Ayan na naman. Di pa tayo. Day 1 pa lang, ha? Thank you, Idol. Oh, look at my room. It's so big. Ba't walang kasamang natutulog?
Dear Ochi, welcome to Hyatt Place, Glenville. We're so excited to have you staying with us.
Hindi naman eh. Tingnan ko. Dear Oji, itago mo na lang ako sa pangalang...
Ma'am Charo yan. Ito na nga, Dear Ochi. Lumipad ang aming team.
Ay! Ma'am Jess yan!
Ito na nga, Dear Ochi. Welcome to Hyatt Place.
Ay! Walang krimen! Soko yan! Ayan, Thai lunch. Oh. Taray. Oh. Ay, picture! Paano? Oh, di ba? Taray ng lunch namin. Thai rice.
Salad para papaya salad.
Para
healthy.
para lumamig ulo. At sinong kaaway? So, dito kami ngayon ni Nanay sa rehearsal. Nandito tayo sa rehearsal na Mr. and Miss Philippines, USA.
Sige, picture tayo. Dito kami.
Sabi niya, upo kayo, baka manalo kayo. Tali na natin. Wait to the camera! Wait. Oh, ayan. Pagkatapos namin magbisita doon sa rehearsal, rampa naman kami dito sa, ano to? Ano to, Milo?
Americana!
Americana! Kung saan maraming Amerikano.
Saan maraming Mexicano.
Ha? Mexicano ba? Hindi Amerikano?
Yeah, dito sa Americana,
Yeah.
kung mapapansin mo, no,
Oh.
walang mga naka-Americana rin.
Ha? Ako lang? Bakit? Ayan o, sa likod mo.
Ay,
Totoo ba yan?
ayan, yan yung nasa likod natin. Pwede, pikit ka nga, pikit. Tapos higa.
Ha? Nay, buhay pa yan!
Sorry, si Lilo pala yan. Sorry.
Ganda, oh. Diba, oh. Oh. Summer in Glendale. Kainitan ngayon. Oh. Ay, oh. Alas 7 na ng gabi, ang liwanag pa sa labas. Oh.
Ano na yung kampuyat. Siyempre with the Oliver Carnier.
Yes. And we're here at Bourbon.
That's Justin and Kris.
We're having dinner here at Bourbon. Kakain na steak.
Yeah. Steak ng banana cube.
Ha? Hindi! Beef steak.
Ay,
Tagalog ah. Beef steak Tagalog. You like that?
ah,
Ha?
siniahan.
Wow. Sibas Regal. Di ba Sibas Regal yan?
Gaga, Shiva.
Ah, Shivas ba yan? Yung akin naman, oh, steak.
That's beef, right?
Yeah. Ano, paano ulit yan?
That's beef, right?
Wow!
Beef.
Ano, paano?
Beef.
Ha?
Sinunog na beef. Ang sabi na,
Chuper! Ha?
Beef.
Oy!
The next day,
Yan, it's hair and makeup time with the one and only Nilo Cruz. Wow! Ang head makeup artist ng ABS-CBN dati. Oh. Ngayon, ang premiadong hair and makeup artist ng Glendale, California. Wow! Tawa-tawa siya ngayon pero kahapon iyak-iyak siya.
Dahil kay Miss Kris.
Dahil kay Miss Kris, di ba? So sabi ni Miss Kris, she's very happy daw to make you happy.
Sobra. Thank you, Miss Kris.
Yes. O ayan, gusto niyo makita paano umiyak si Nilo. O ayan, panoorin niyo. Uy, ba't ka umiyak? Sir Nilo! Sir Nilo Cruz! Ba't ka umiyak?
Kasi si Miss Kris pinaiyak ako, binati ako ni Miss Kris Aquino. Thank you, ma'am.
Surprise ako sa kanya, di ba?
Thank you po, Miss Kris.
Yung Sir Nilo Cruz. Kasi may salon na siya dito sa Glendale. Oh, na-surprise siya kasi meron message siya kasi sa kanya si Miss Kris. Oh, ayan ito. Pa-play ko uli.
Hi, Nilo. Congratulations. Ay, nako. It's so exciting na you have your own salon in Glendale. At take note mahal ang rent in Glendale. Why am I saying that? Everybody knows it. But that's for Mama Loy's hearing pleasure. Oo na, para at least alam niya, social ka na talaga. And I do remember na you are always the nicest and the sweetest. So, I don't know, baka if Kuya Josh gets his way, we're gonna bring him to the LA area, dapat end of September or early October, and then we'll leave him there now with our friends. But of course, I know that he'll need his haircut. So pupunta siya sa'yo, or alam mo naman yan, may pagka-spoiled sa home service. So, congratulations talaga. And I'm wondering nga kung yung mga parang mo nagawang mga hairdo na sabi ko, okay yun, na migraine na ako. But how were you able to do all of that? And are there people getting mga, like their hair done with super extensions? Because in the States, you can buy talaga ganyan, and then it's just like parang nilagay lang, and then there, and it looks so natural. So, I wonder kung yun ang mga paggagawa sa'yo, or hair and makeup. You are one of the last of the breed na ginagawa both hair and makeup. Ngayon, everyone's maarte. I'm just gonna do hair. I'm just gonna do makeup. So, I'm looking forward talaga. Sana if we go there, we'll get to see you. And thank you for being so nice to Mama Loy. Bye!
Sobra naman po surpresa talaga.
Bakit kami yak?
Dahil kay Miss Kris, binati ako at sinurpresa mo ako, ma. Sobra po kayo, sobra. Miss Kris, maraming salamat. I love you. At masayang-masaya ako nung nakita kita, and you're getting better na. Salamat. I love you. God bless you always. Thank you, Mama Loy. Thank you po.
So ngayon, it's another busy day kasi nga po today na yung yung Mr. and Miss Philippines USA. Wow! Tapos bukas may interview si Nanay at saka ako yata. Tapos lalagay yata kami sa cover ng magazine. Oh, wow! Diba ang bongga? So, magmamagic ng lahat ng yan. Si Kuya Nila Cruz, diba? Hindi ba yung pinapanood mo kasi?
Loyalty Game.
Mini-makeup.
Episode 12.
Ay? Maganda?
Sobra.
Oh.
Loyalty Game, parang ako din.
Ha? Maganda? Ay, ang taray! Tagang kahit saan bit-bit ni Nanay yung loyalty game. Kahit sa Amerika.
Diba? Ganyan kaganda ang Loyalty Game.
Oh.
Parang dati yung linlang.
Oh. Ganyan ka din natin sa linlang eh.
Oo, dito. Panoorin nyo na, Diyos ko. Ba't pinapatagal nyo kasi hindi kayo nanonood?
Ay, yung Someone Someday.
Oo nga. Ha?
Someone Someday.
Tapusin ko muna tapos para makaipon ako ng episodes ko.
Okay. Okay.
Okay po. Alam ko kung anong gusto nyo marinig sa akin, huwag kayong ganyan. Panonoorin ko din yun.
Ay, oh.
Ay, di ba?
Pwede na yung mga Barbie dolls.
Ah, di ba? Ayan na.
Mga Barbie dolls.
Of course, that's Nilo Cruz.
Yung yan, be.
Nilo Cruz yan. O, di ba? Nilo Cruz creation.
Siyempre kasama natin si Kurt Bondad, oh.
Of course. Ayan, o.
Ang gwapo, oh.
Yan, o.
Ano ba yun?
Ayan.
Is it live stream?
Ay, hindi live stream.
Ano yun?
Video lang.
Di ba?
Live stream?
Hindi.
Together.
Ito talaga. Ayan. Yan. Ayan, o. Yes, ayan.
Di ba?
Yan, o. Oh, di ba?
Yes. Where's
Yes.
Papa O?
Papa is there.
Papa
Ma.
O? Come here, Nay.
You're missing.
Yes.
Yes. Ay,
With
mama
the
ako.
one and only.
Ang ka na naman suot niya.
Yes.
O, diba? O, yan, o.
Diba?
Oh.
Oh.
Diba?
We're all ready for
Yes.
Philippines USA.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my gosh! Mama Loy, you lost so much weight. You look fabulous.
So much.
Very popular.
Yes, of course, with my
Together
husband.
already?
Yeah.
Oh, gee, you look amazing. Oh, Tommy!
Yeah.
From Ichika mo dali?
Yes.
Ay, Ichika mo ba? Ichika mo na dali?
Oh, GDS Showbiz Update.
Yes, very popular host, talent manager, and they're really OG inspires.
Yeah.
Everything's in YouTube, guys. You can catch them. How are you guys doing?
Great. And we're having a great time here in LA.
Chris, they're gonna be judging.
Ah, you're gonna be judging tonight. Well, you have 4 judging
And Tommy's
duties.
Alaska boy. I call him Alaska boy.
Wait, are you from Alaska?
You could give that name on.
Oh, okay. How have you been liking LA? That's my city. How do you guys like LA?
Oh, OG's always in LA. OG, can you share to Chris and everyone about you and what's happening now?
Sa showbiz?
Yes, and here.
Hi, hello! Siyempre, we're so happy to be here again. Thank you, LA. Thank you, Glendale. Thank you, Oliver Carne.
Definitely.
Yes.
You have no idea, guys. Every time OG would have a video or like when he comes out with content, it's like 1 million views. Close to 1 million or how many thousands. So it's really awesome. What are you looking for from our candidates tonight to be able to win your judge?
Oh, wow. So,
O Tagalogin ko daw. Anong hinahanap natin?
yes.
Ayun, sana mahanap namin.
Tama!
Hindi, syempre, magaganda kasi nakita na namin sila kahapon. We've seen them all yesterday.
Yes, during the rehearsal. And I think in every pageant, they always say that it's always your performance during the pageant night. Yeah, no matter how beautiful or how intelligent you are, it all boils down to that final stage.
True. Tommy, how many times have you attended this pageant before?
I did like maybe there's my 3rd time now.
Ah, what do you think's gonna happen? This is the 15th annual. What are you excited to see tonight? This is a big number for them.
I know there's a lot. I think there's 3 categories right now.
No, 4. We have the juniors, we have the misses, we have the empress, and we have the men.
Right.
So many.
Yeah, I know there's a lot. So we just got here like last night. We just landed last night. So we're gonna fighting out with our jet lag and stuff, but I think they're just gonna have like a good judging later. So,
Very excited to see
Well,
OG.
thank you so
Yes,
much.
Mama Lord.
Yes, enjoy LA while you're out
OG,
here.
any other thing to promote while you're here?
Siyempre, nauna ka na nag-promote. Siyempre, I hope our vlogs, yes, you always watch our
How many
vlogs.
years now?
Lalo na mga kababayan natin, di ba? Like for 6 years now.
6 years now.
OGDS Showbiz Update. Yan. Thank you, Bonnie.
Thank you, OG.
Thank you so much.
Your number one source of Philippine showbiz news. Audio Showbiz Update.
Thank you,
Oh,
Mama
we love
Lord.
it.
More power.
All right, photos. We're gonna take
Okay.
Or actually, they're taking photos.
Now the Philippines as #1 Showbiz Insider. With the biggest blogger with more than 4.5 million subscribers on YouTube. From Showbiz Inspires and maintains the YouTube channel, The Ideas Showbiz Update, which comes out every other day.
Yes, are you guys ready to meet the next one? Mama Lloyd. She is a Filipino entertainment vlogger. Not only that, she's showbiz news co-host and creative. He is recognized as the co-host of the hit commentary channel, OED's Showbiz Update, alongside talent manager and comedian OED's.
Next up, we've got Kirk Bonda, Filipino-German model, fitness coach, pageant photographer, Mr. International 2025, and only the second Filipino to win the prestigious title. A celebrated model from Bench, who also won the Section 2 Superbox Male title in 2022, and
Ayan, so tapos na yung pageant. Pa-check out na kami ng hotel the following day. Yes, syempre. Kasama pa rin namin si Nilo Cruz ang nag-makeup sa amin. Kasi
Danilo Cruz.
Yes.
Nilo Cruz.
Nilo Cruz. Yes.
Parang siya lang yung sumulat ng No Limit Tangere.
Ah?
Yun ang dating ng pangalan.
So bago tayo pumunta kay Tita Mary Ann, meron pictorial para sa In The Mix magazine. Wow!
Photoshoot dito sa LA.
Yes.
Siyempre ang makeup namin doon ay si Nilo.
Yes.
Si Nilo na napakatagal na nagtrabaho sa ABS-CBN.
Yes.
Isa ng haligi sa
Yes.
makeup industry.
Yung isang haligi nga dun eh, Nilo Cruz sa ABS. Nakita mo na?
Nakaukit sa marmol.
Ha?
Kaya dito sa game.
So, may nakaukit sa marmol.
Puntahan nyo.
Lapida yun. Hindi naman yung lapida ha.
Walang year. Going na. Oh.
Yay!
Diretso na airport.
Gusto dito konti. Yan. Tapos, uminom po kayo konti. Yan.
Ikaw lang pala ko lipstick.
Bakla ka ba?
Kung maingay, tay. Natatabunan ko si ng lipstick.
Okay. Smile ng konti. Yan. And huwag po kayo masyadong mag-smile.
Huwag mag-smile?
Huwag masyado.
Hindi masyadong smile. Yung konti lang.